We start with the section with the topic symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is one of the set theoretic operation like union, intersection, difference. Okay, if A and B are any two sets, I explain the term symmetric difference using a Venn diagram. Consider the universal set and the set A and B. Elements in the set symmetric difference. Symmetric difference denoted by asymmetric difference B or asymmetric difference B. These are the notations of symmetric difference. Okay. Elements in asymmetric difference B belongs to A or B. That is belongs to A union B. Belongs to A union B but not in A intersection B. That is the shaded portion is like this. Okay. This shaded portion represent asymmetric difference B. So asymmetric difference B can be defined as A union B difference A intersection B. That is, we get this shaded portion by deleting A intersection B from the set A union B. Or we can define this relation as A difference B is equal to A difference B. We know that this shaded portion, this first shaded portion is A difference B. Union, the second shaded portion is B difference A. Okay. Either you can use this definition or this. Let us consider some examples for symmetric difference. A equals set A, B, C, D and B equals set C, D, E, F. Then asymmetric difference B equals, by the definition, A minus B union A, B difference A. Okay. Here A difference B is element in X but not in B. That is set AB. Set AB union B difference A, element in the set C but set B not in A. That is set EF. Therefore A difference B is equal to set AB EF. Okay. Check the second equation also. So A difference B is equal to A union B A union B difference. Okay. Asymmetric difference B is equal to A union B difference A intersection B. A intersection B. That is equal to A union B is set A, B, C, D, E, F. And A intersection B, difference A intersection B is set as CD. That is equal to set A, B, E, F. Okay. So asymmetric difference B can be calculated in any of these two ways. Now discuss another problem. Use Venn diagram to prove symmetric difference is associative operation. Using Venn diagram to prove symmetric difference is associative. That is asymmetric difference B, symmetric difference C equals A symmetric difference B symmetric difference C. Okay. Instead of shading Venn diagram, let us label the various region as follows. Okay. Not prove by shading, by labeling some numbers in the set, then prove. the Venn diagram like this. Universal set A, B and a C. And the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the set A from this Venn diagram we get it is 1 A. This circle contains the points 1, 2, 3, 4 and B the circle contains 2, 3, 5, 6 and C this circle contains 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. 3, 4, 6, 7. Now asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B equals A difference B union B difference A. Here A difference B is set 1, 4 union B difference A. B difference A. B difference A is 5, 6. Its union is 1, 4, 5, 6. Then asymmetric difference B, symmetric difference C, that is equal to asymmetric, by the definition asymmetric difference B difference C union asymmetric difference B, sorry, C difference asymmetric difference B. Okay. Okay, that is equal to asymmetric difference B difference C, that is 1 set 1 5 1 5 set 1 5 union C symmetric difference means set 3 7 set 3 7 1 5 union set 3 7, that is equal to set 1 3 5 7 set 1 3 5 7, that is equation 1. Then consider the right side. Now we get the left side. A symmetric difference B symmetric difference C is equal to set 1 3 5 7. Now let us check the left side. For that, first B symmetric difference C, that is B difference C union C difference B, that is equal to B difference C is set 2 in the set B, not in the set C. So here it is 2, 3 in the set B, but it is in the set C, 5, 2, 5, 6 is in set B, but in C. So union C intersection C difference B. C difference B is 4 and 7. Set 4 7. Its union is 2 2 4 5 7. Okay. Then asymmetric difference B symmetric difference C, that is equal to A difference B symmetric difference C union B symmetric difference C difference A, that is equal to A symmetric difference A symmetric difference B A difference B symmetric difference C. Here A difference B symmetric difference C is elements in A but not in B symmetric difference C, that is set 1 3 union B symmetric difference C difference A, that is element in B symmetric difference C but not in A, that is 5 7 set 5 7, that is equal to set 1 3 5 7, that is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 it is clear that left side equal to right side. Okay, now do another problem. Simplify the following sets using set identities. Simplify the following sets using set theoretic identities. First question, A complement union B complement, A complement union B complement, union A intersection B intersection C complement. That's the first question to simplify the set. Okay. This is by De Morgan's law. This is by De Morgan's law. We can write it as A complement union B complement is written as A intersection B complement by De Morgan's law. Okay. Then by distributive law, we can write it as A intersection B complement union A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay, A intersection B intersection C complement. Now write it as we distribute the union operation in this intersection operation. We distribute this operation union to this bracket. We get A intersection B difference U B difference union A intersection B intersection A intersection B difference B complement union C complement. Okay, we distribute this set in this bracket. A intersection B complement union, the first set A intersection B, intersection A intersection B complement union, the second set. Okay, that is by distributive law. By distributive law. By distributive law. Okay, then we know that A complement union A is equal to universal set. That is the inverse law in set theory. We know that A complement, a set union with its complement is the universal set. That is inverse law in set theory. Using this, the first bracket becomes the universal set. Intersection, the second A intersection B complement union C complement by inverse law. By inverse law. Then we also know that universal set intersection A. Universal set intersection A is equal to A. That is intersection of any set with the universal set is that set. So that is identity law. Therefore, by identity law, this set equals A intersection B complement union C complement by identity law. By identity law. Okay. Then by De Morgan's law, this is equal to A complement union B complement. By De Morgan's law, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement union C complement. Okay. Now we simplify this representation as A complement union B complement union C complement. This last step by De Morgan's law. Okay. Now let us simplify another set. The second set is A intersection B union B intersection C intersection D union C intersection D complement. C intersection D complement. Okay. but here also we can distribute this operation union into, okay, also in this bracket A B intersection C intersection D union C intersection D complement. Okay, from this we can write it as A intersection B union B intersection. Here we use distributive law. Distributive law is C union D intersection D complement equals C union D intersection C union D complement, or C intersection D union D complement equals C intersection D union C intersection D complement. Here use the second relation. Okay. Here we get the left side of this equation. So we can replace C intersection D union C intersection D complement by C intersection D union D complement. Okay. By distributive law. Okay. Then by inverse law. Here D union D complement. We know that D union D complement is the universal set. Okay. Here we use the distributive law. Next, inverse law, A intersection B union B intersection C intersection U. We know that D union D complement is equal to universal set. Using inverse law, we get this step. Then using identity law, C intersection U is C. So here we get A intersection B union B intersection C by inverse law, since we know that C intersection U is C. Okay. Then by identity law, A intersection B union, here we use the identity law. C intersection U is equal to C is the identity law, and the inverse law is D union D complement is U is the inverse law. Okay. Then by commutative law, this is equal to B intersection C union A intersection B by commutative law. Then using distributive law, here also again we use the commutative law. We get B intersection C union B intersection A. Then by using, here also use commutative law. Then by using distributive law, this is B intersection B intersection C union A. If we distribute, we get B intersection C union B intersection A. This is the simplified form of the above distribution, set theory statement. This also get by distributive law. Okay. Next problem, write the dual of each of the following statement. First one, A is equal to B complement intersection A union A intersection B. Okay, we know that the dual of a statement is obtained by replacing union operation by intersection and intersection operation by union. So it's an easy way to write dual is A is equal to B complement, union replace with intersection replace with union, and union replace with intersection. That is here also A union B. This is the statement S, then its dual is SD. Okay, it's a dual. Next problem, also write the dual of the following. Here the statement is A intersection B union A complement intersection B union A intersection B complement union A complement intersection B complement equals universal set. Here it is universal set, not union. So write the dual of this, dual of the above statement. Dual of the above statement is, the dual of the above statement we get by replacing intersection by union and union by intersection. So it is A union B intersection A complement union B intersection A union B complement intersection A complement union B complement equal to universal set. Okay. Now consider another problem. Find the set A and B. Find sets A and B if A difference B equals 1, 3, 7, 11. Set 1, 3, 7, 11. And B difference A is equal to set 2, 6, 8. And A intersection B is equal to set 4, 9. Okay. Then how can we find A and B from this set? From using Venn diagram, it is very easy. Draw a Venn diagram A and B. A intersection B is 4, 9. Therefore, in this portion, we mark 4 and 9. A difference B, we know that this portion is A difference B. Here it is 1, 3, 7, 11. And B difference A, 2, 6, 8. Okay. So the set A equals A in this circle, that is set 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, 11. And in set B, B is this circle, that is set 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Another problem. A difference B equals set 1 to 4. A difference B is equal to set 1 to 4 and B difference A equals set 7, 8. Also A union B equals set 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. Okay. Here also we need to find A and B. So represent these sets in a Venn diagram. A, B. We know that A difference B is this portion. This portion is A difference B. This portion is B difference A. And this is A intersection B. These three sets, that A difference B, B difference A and A intersection B are disjoint sets. Okay. So here A difference B is 1, 2, 4 and B difference A is 7, 8 and A union B is given as 1, 2, 4, 5 is not in A difference B and B difference A, so it is in A intersection B. 7, 8, 9 is also not belongs to A difference B and B difference A, so it's also in A intersection B. So our set A is equal to A in this circle, that is set 1, 2, 4, 5, 9 and the B is equal to B in this circle, that is set 7, 8, 5, 9. Okay, thank you.